or ivory tusks. You destroy the poachers' traps and prevent them from catching the animals with those valuable parts. For them, it's all about money. But all these people after me is bad for our jungle. The animals are spooked and your village is being overrun. Maybe I should find another place to live. No! You are a blessing, little brother. You protect the animals and the village loves you. We have survived a lot. And we will survive this as well. Nest over there. The egg boilers there. That's what we're gonna find out. Looking for me? What I'm gonna do when I get my hands on him? It was lucky he got away! We better start getting lucky too. Boss said bring him back alive or don't come back at all. Looks like you are in a sticky situation. Look at that huge flock of parrots. Let's get closer. I'm trying to stop on something.
This boy looks exactly like my son. My grandson. I'll actually be alive. Find him, Ryan. Whatever it takes. Whatever it costs, bring him home. You said, everything I have left.
I will take care of it. Dr. Porter, you made it!
Hello, Maviro. I'd like you to be grateful to you.
Maviro, hi! My dad's told me so much about you. I feel like I already know you.
Welcome back, my friend.
Jane, this is my father, the chief of our village.
Hello, Jin.
And this is our shaman. Welcome to the jungle.
Don't worry. These are the pharmaceutical reps. They're here to see my process. They're going to fund our clinical trials. These are the specimens we're looking for. We're on the forefront of something big here. A medical revolution. So walk carefully, keep a sharp eye, and good luck. Jane, remember, this is...
Sally.
destroying our traps and ruining our business. That's him, all right. Whatever it takes. Bring him back to me. Alive.
Si Papa po? Andyan po. Doon po ang bahay talaga ni Papa. Dalawa po bahay niya.
The boat